Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing an ASIC miner that I just received from cryptominerbros.com. And you guys know they have sent me ASICs before. And this is something that this used to be, I think, getting about $50 a day or something, or it started out at like $30 a day and then it went up to like $50 a day, and now it's like, what, $13 or $14 a day or something as of making this video. So I'm just gonna do a little quick unboxing here. So while I'm doing this, I just wanna say thank you to Crypto Miner Bros for sending me this ASIC miner here. And as you guys can tell by the title, it's an iBeLink BM-K1. And yeah, this one is supposed to be able to mine kadena. And I know with kadena, this coin actually used to be really, I would say, dominated by FPGAs. So this ASIC miner is essentially just gonna overtake the FPGAs or GPUs that are mining the, I believe, Blake 2S algorithm. Okay, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Oh, no, hold on, let me put down the camera. Okay, alrighty, so here it is. This looks very, very interesting. Actually, I have to still use two hands. I think this is upside down. Yeah, this is definitely upside down. Okay. All right. Take a look at that. This is the iBeLink BM-K1. And yeah, this is gonna be pretty interesting. You guys, before I keep on talking about this ASIC miner, I just want to have a disclaimer for you all, and I just want to give you my quick opinion about this thing, that I would not advise anybody to buy this because it is very risky. A kadena coin, I would say it doesn't have much volume right now. It doesn't have much liquidity. I just want to say I don't recommend buying this. I'm just going to say that straight away in the beginning of this video. Okay, so anyways, guys, look at this, the iBeLink BM-K1. I'm very excited to get this going. Apparently it uses about 850 watts at the wall, and we're going to try later on. I guess this is supposed to be able to take 240 volt or 180 to 240 volt, which I don't have 240 volt in my location here. You guys are probably looking at this video like, Red Panda, you're in your garage, you're not in your crypto mining basement. Yeah, I don't have 240 set up yet, but I do have a 120 plug here, and I do have a kilowatt. So we're gonna see if this works in a second here, and if it doesn't, then we will head to my crypto mining basement and plug it into the Triplite PDU. But just to show you guys what this thing's got, it's got like an Ethernet port, it's got a power switch by the looks of it here, just to turn it on and off. Power plug here, and yeah, look at this. It has a, I guess this is a 120 mil fan in the front and another 120 mil in the back. I'm assuming this is exhaust. Let's just see here. Yeah, this is exhaust, and this is the intake. Okay, and yeah, the power supply is at the top. It looks like it's embedded here, so it's definitely different from like a Bitmain ASIC miner. Usually you have a separate power supply, but this one looks like it's already like pre-built in, pretty much screwed into the ASIC miner here. So that is pretty interesting. Okay, anyways, guys, you guys are probably wondering if this thing will turn on or not. I'm also wondering that as well. Yeah, it says 200 to 240 volt. And yeah, it'll do DHCP, it'll get an IP automatically, iBeLink, and iBeLink is the default username and password. Okay, so without further ado, let's plug it in, guys. Okay, let's do it like this. I'm gonna plug in the Ethernet first, and then we're gonna plug in the power. This will run on 120 volt. I don't think so. Okay, all right, here we go. Let's see if it works here. If it doesn't, we'll head to my crypto mining basement. Nope, does not turn on. Oh wait, do I have to hit the power button? Let's see. Nope. Nope, doesn't turn on. Okay, well, end of the video. No, just kidding. Okay, so we're gonna go to my crypto mining basement as I have 240 over there. I don't have 240 here. So guys, we'll be there in a snap. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you guys can see, and it's probably really loud in the video right now, and I'm sorry if I have to yell. It's because I can't even hear myself right now. The Z15 is super loud, and the A10 Pro is really loud, But anyways, guys, I'm in my crypto mining basement, as you guys can see. And so I have the power cable plugged in, network cable plugged in. And I just want to show you guys the power consumption on my PDUs before I turn this thing on. Okay, so there you go. We got 12 amps on this bank right here. And then we got 11 amps here and 11 amps on this bank here. So we're not going to plug it in on this PDU. So we're going to plug it in on this side of the 30 amp PDU. There's 8 amps on this one already being used. So we give or take, we have another 4 amps usage. So if this iBeLink can go up to, you know, 850 to 1000 watts, let's say, then we should have enough capacity here to go up to the 80% rule, which is about 12 amps. Okay, but I did have to turn off my 1060 3GB rig in order to get the iBeLink plugged in, so I don't go over the 80% rule. All right, anyways, guys, let's turn this thing on. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, all right, it turned on. Oh, that is really loud. That's really loud. It's ramping up like crazy. Can you guys hear that? It's probably really loud in the video. Okay, so it looks like it's just booting up. All right, so we have to go to the computer now, and we have to use some IP scanner of some sort to find the IP address, or just log into your router. And yeah, you should be able to find the IP address. So we're gonna do that in a second. Before we do that, I actually wanted to show you guys something here. I want to know from you guys, I want to get some opinion here. How should I, you know, break even or ROI theoretically on this iBeLink BM-K1, which costs about $37.50 on Crypto Miner Bros right now. So I have 4 different options, and link down below to the straw poll. Should I be trading the kadena into BTC every day, or should I be trading the kadena into BTC once a month? Or should I be trading the kadena into USDT every day? Or the last option here is hodl the kadena until fully break even or ROI'd on the 3750. You guys know I've been doing these kind of tests on like the Z15 and my A10 Pro. The Z15 I was able to break even on about 4 months, and the profitability dropped off like a cliff after Horizon and the Zcash happening. But on the kadena here, just to show you guys some of the trading pairs, there's USDT and only BTC. I wish there was KDA to ETH, but I'm gonna have to either do one of these two. So yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. Link in the description. You guys can vote here, and so I will do whatever one that has the most votes. So I'll be really excited for that. Okay, guys, so give me a sec. I am going to get the IP address, and we're gonna log into the iBeLink. 1 sec. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys the software that I was using to find the IP address, and it's called Advanced IP Scanner. You guys can probably just Google it, and I was able to find the IP address here. Okay, so guys, I got the IP address, and now let's go to the iBeLink here. So I already put in the password, and we're gonna hit login, and now we can see all the good stuff in here. This is gonna be interesting. So let's see, what do we have here? Temperature, fans, mega hash. Wow, that's a lot of mega hash. And accepted shares, rejected. Okay, so I don't have my configuration or pool or anything plugged in. It looks like it's mining to the default pool right now. Here we go. So it says config here. We go to config, and then scrolling to the bottom here, it looks like, yeah, this is where we can change the pool. And I believe there's only like 5 or 6 KDA pools right now, according to Mining Pool Stats. And looks like I have to put in my KDA address here, and email if I need to, depending on the pool. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna like add all this stuff in and see what kind of hash rate and accepted shares we get. So give me 1 sec. Okay, I got it mining. I'm mining to icemining.ca. And yeah, looks like we have some rejected. Obviously, I just started, so yeah, you guys can see it's actually only 4 pools according to Mining Pool Stats. So I am mining on the 4th pool here, and it shows that we are at 5.48 terahash, and this ASIC miner can do 5.1 terahash or something. So I'm just gonna refresh this. I think this should be able to go up to 10 or something terahash because I just added it. So, oh yeah, look at that. It just jumped 9.46 terahash. So I am literally half of the hash rate. So it looks like I'm already getting some KDA, 0.05. And yeah, look at that. My hash rate is 5.1. Okay, well, guys, that's it. Looks like I will definitely I'll keep you guys updated, of course, and once I figure out what you guys have voted for, I will figure out if I'll be able to hopefully exchange into BTC or USDT, or for some of you guys that might want to troll me, hopefully I can break even if I hodled it. Maybe Kadena might go up in price one day. Who knows? But oh, guys, I just want to do one quick thing here. I'm using Zelcore wallet for Kadena. So this is actually pretty awesome. I know recently they just added it, so this is not sponsored by them or anything, but if you guys want to use Zelcore, I think it's pretty awesome. I'm using it for Zel right now, and some other coins here, so it's pretty good. Zelcore is awesome. Alright guys, well, I will keep you updated. Looks like the iBeLink is mining good right now. I find it really funny. I'm like half the hash rate of icemining.ca right now. But anyways, guys, let's go take a quick look at the iBeLink one last time. And it is actually really loud. It's like a high-pitched noise. Can you guys hear that? It's really high-pitched. Look at that. Look at this thing. Oh man, that's a lot. This thing blows a lot of airflow. Holy smoke. That's just crazy. Let me get this box here. You guys can see. Watch this. Look at that. So much airflow. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Just crazy. Oh yeah, here is the power consumption. So it went up from about 8 amps to 12 amps. So yeah, it looks like we're using another 3 or 4 amps for the iBeLink. This thing is extremely loud. I don't even know if you guys can hear me or not. Okay, well, yeah, guys, I think it's going. Anyways, I'll keep you updated. I'll have another video maybe next week, and I'll keep track of all the profits that I'm doing daily on the iBeLink, and we'll see, yeah, how good it is in the next coming months. We'll see how long it'll take me to break even, theoretically break even on the iBeLink BM-K1. And guys, thanks again to Crypto Miner Bros for sending me the iBeLink. Crypto Miner Bros is so good to me. Guys, if you are into ASICs, please use offer code RedPanda to get $50 off on any ASIC that you order on CryptoMinerBros.com. So thank you so much again, guys. Alright, my friends, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.